Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and daily update on Solana. Of course, yesterday what we talked about, the price was right here around $97, I believe, and what we talked about then is that because of the major technical bullish breakout we had in the days before. So that was mainly above this level right here at $95 and $96, where if you remember, there was also a lot of liquidity there. So that was just a very strong resistance level. And when Solana actually broke above that, you can see that right about here actually. So when Solana broke above that, technically it became way more bullish. But then what we talked about yesterday as well, and the market circumstances, I must say, were a bit different back then, because Bitcoin has obviously rallied a lot more in the last afternoon. Solana was still holding on fine, I would say, after the resistance we had at like $98 and $99. So Solana on its own compared to Bitcoin yesterday actually looked stronger, but because of the correlation between Solana and Bitcoin, it's obviously preferable if Bitcoin is also bullish. The correlation right now is ridiculous at 0.97, 0.97, and in the last 30 days it's getting up to 0.7. So correlation is there, and now the main question is well, all right, can Solana actually rally up higher? And yesterday we already talked about that, and then the answer was yes, with the main price target and the main resistance level being this level right here between 104, 106, and 108. All right, you can see that's historically that's a very, very strong resistance level. It's also when Solana was still in this in this weird range right here between 85 and 106, or that area around it, was also the top of the range, provided strong resistance 3 times at the beginning of January. So that's our main price target, or at least yesterday that was our main price target, and it still is. And yesterday what I said is that I do not think Solana can break above this level. Is that true? Yes, as in I still do not expect that Solana will break above that level, but obviously, and most of you will agree with me on that, the potential is there. All right, you can see right now if we look at the open interest, so if we look at the momentum, that's absolutely growing for Solana. So right now it's at $1.36 billion. That's quite a lot. That's almost like that's getting towards the levels we were at the beginning of January when we had that big flush. Remember, on that Wednesday. Right here. So it's getting towards the open interest levels we had then. So there is a realistic chance that we can break above that. But the thing is, and I think that's the most important thing, is that right now Solana is so correlated to Bitcoin that this breakout would need to correspond with a breakout above this level right here at 44,500 for Bitcoin. And I just don't think Bitcoin has enough momentum to break out of that immediately. So at least initially, I think Solana will find strong resistance there. But then, of course, I cannot deny, I cannot ignore this momentum buildup we have for Solana. So I do think, and I think that might even be the most likely scenario at this moment, I do think that from that resistance level there, we will find resistance initially. But then if we can hold that level around $100 as support, and the momentum and the open interest stays high, and I'll keep you updated on that, then I do think we can break above that later, all right? Get a breakout and rally up to like 114 and 116. And then Solana is bullish again, even on the longer time frames. On the short term, it's already bullish, as most of you know, but still, would be pretty good. So that's what we'll have to wait for. Like I said, initially I expected resistance, but if the momentum stays high after that resistance, we can rally higher, all right? So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, of course. I want to wish you all a great rest of your week. And don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group. There's a lot of value in there. I post almost daily trades and investments, but that's up to you if you want to check that out or not. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.